Renting a dance floor for Windemere Farms comes with a built-in advantage. The venue's own tent is already noted for having ample space for a huge dance floor. That's rare. Most venues make you fight for room. 500 acres, horse pastures, a stone barn inspired by an actual trip to Ireland. That's rustic elegance at scale. Your floor rental needs to match that ambition. We bring 5 styles: dark maple poles in the stone barn and 100-year-old oaks. Black and white checkered brings timeless contrast under those sparry tent peaks. Sizing here depends entirely on how big you're going. At 120 guests, an 18 by 18 fills the tent with energy. At 200 plus, you're looking at a 21 by 21 to match the scale this venue is known for. The tent already has turf flooring in place. We work around that, leveling and securing your rental so it sits flush and steady. Booking is simple. A deposit holds your date. Delivery, setup, and takedown are included as add-ons. You never touch a panel. We install it, we take it down. You just show up and dance under that Texas sky. If you're planning a wedding at Windemere Farms, call or text us at 512-803-4041 or visit austindancefloorpros.com for a free quote. We serve Hill Country, Greater San Antonio, and Greater Austin. Links are in the description.